How to fix messages delivery on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app from your Android by Play Store. Now open the Facebook Messenger app in your phone by clicking on the three lines which appear at the left top corner. Click on this gear mark. You have just to click on it, and by scrolling this bar you can see here there is an option of privacy and safety. Click on it and you can see here there is an option of message delivery. Just you have to click on choose who can message you. Here you will select the people which are allowed to message you on Facebook Messenger. You can also add that people from your Instagram, Facebook, as well as from your messenger or with phone number. That was all. This was for both Android as well as on iPhone. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.